Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sambut Menteri Rangba Kajela badai pet ya kakampo yang uba Preston Tensong. Ulai thu baka Sorkar Meghalaya kala penlong ya kajingelang banya perkhat halor kajing kendang ka Sorkar Assam ya kibasa bian ha kate Kajela yo bakite hibriu kinwan rung saha Kajela Meghalaya. Habakran cakila pathai kubor uba Tensong ulapan pau ba ula batha sha ka Director General of Police but ya baro ki board sanchar jong ki district but ki Superintendent of Police bakin pet ngor baha but ban bud din ya kinu ki jingwan rung bian sha Kajela ulapan tip shu ba kumba lalong menta ka Sorkar kampat yo ya kanu kai phot badan ha ka jingwan rung jong ki teki brio ha Kajela ha ka bayade halor uput usam hapdeng Kajela Assam bat ka Meghalaya uba Tensong uloong baka Sorkar Meghalaya menta kadang ap ya ka Jubab na ka Sorkar Assam ha kabayde bat ka jingbu por ban Pynbeit ya uput usam ulapan kan mau biang baka Meghalaya kaladap ha ya ka jingkerpat ya ka tarik ban ya kendu bat kadang ap ya ka Jubab na ka Sorkar Kajela Assam.
In fact, we already had a meeting with all the concerned department. We have already instructed the DGP and also all the concerned district administration and the SPs to be more vigilant in case if there is any kind of influx through Assam or if there is any kind of trying to enter the state of Meghalaya. We have already alerted and then we have already instructed also to all the district administration, both DC and the SP.
Any detection till now?
Till today, no information yet. We are yet to get any information, and we will update you if you have any detection. If we get any detection, I think, as I said, we will come back.
Lastly, on the border talks, of course, a few incidents after the incident. So, what is the status now?
Well, the status right now, in fact, we are waiting the date from our counterpart, because as I said to you, from Assam side they have 3-4 chairmen of different locations. So whereas this side we have in the West Kasil side where Paul Lengdo is the chairman, and then the Riboy side and Block 2, I am the chairman, and Jantia Hills side and Block 1 is S. Dahar is Deputy CM is the chairman. So ultimately, as I said to you, we have already requested our counterpart to fix the date, which is convenient to both. So let us wait and see whether the date is available or not for them, because I've already told you once. I think almost all parties, even all MLAs, all ministers, it seems they are also busy preparing for the next general election, which is to be held in Assam next year.
So the fight
We have already requested that, and then let us see. And once we get the indication from their side, then we will accordingly fix the date.
So coming to the immigrants issue, the border security force also has been alerted.
Yes, that also. In fact, be it the BSF, be it the custom, be it our police from the state, we are on the job, and then we are already instructed all the concerned forces to be more vigilant and to be more proactive to detect those illegal immigration if it happens in any parts of our state. Okay, ham alaga ka administration jo ka cantonment teng ila ai ka direction sya ka district administration ya DC be take up nakapor sya kapor bandon ka kerja checking baru ban jointly berengkat ka cantonment berengkat ka district administration ban pej ka ka ba nila ban pej kanang banyo bat kem batru kumju panle ya kabade na kabenta kineki drugs lene na manta kiwe ki activities which is totally illegal.